Good trying on though.
What does it say?
Just try the shirt on. Okay.
Throw it on.
Quiet.
Beretta. 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 Oh gosh.
He'll be growing soon anyway.
Some shorts.
Styling.
Those fit? Aye!
No, they're really big though.
Try them on.
I'm not.
No. They look big and long.
They're really long. Too long.
Too long?
Yeah.
They go to your toes.
My
Cool.
socks.
I thought they wore long like that.
That's
All
not
right.
wrong.
All right. Well,
Cool.
Why do you have a piece of cake though? Oh,
because I bad. I stole a piece of cake.
it's too hard, I think. What? Or
Read it out loud.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, it's not in yet. It's ordered and should be in next week. Love, Dad and Mom.
What is it?
Say
What is it?
Beretta.
Beretta.
Hold it up to your face so we can see.
Bang bang.
Cool.
That's so cool.
And
Real
we're in
handgun.
Fisherman's Marina.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I want this for my birthday so bad.
Yep.
It's one like we shot.
Yeah, that's why I wanted it.
They had it at Fisherman's.
Yeah.
Could have bought it there. But you wanted to get it through the club.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You
No, I
shot?
saw that at the bottom and I was like,
I know.